This is Paperboy, and you're tuned into the Fresh Mix Rap playlist. Long live Fresh.
Atlanta is a show on FX that's executive produced and written by Donald Glover, and he plays Ern Marks, who is a Princeton dropout who returns to his hometown of Atlanta and decides he wants to manage his cousin's rap career.
Let's do it again, and just like this time, like you're at a party and everything's crazy.
We are in the Post facility of Atlanta, which is a single-story house in Hollywood with the windows blacked out.
The New Yorker just did a profile on Atlanta. They describe the editing facilities as a trap house. If you're familiar with the show, a trap house is basically a drug house.
If I were passing by and didn't know what this place was, I'd be scared of it.
People have printed out memes. There's a whole room that has memes on the wall. We call it the meme room. It's a weird little editing crash pad.
As soon as we got picked up to series and we knew it was going to be our show, it was kind of not even a discussion. Everyone was like, yeah, we want to cut a premiere.
The reason I took the job on Atlanta is I heard it was Donald Glover and Hiro Murai. It being in Premiere was just kind of like the icing on the cake.
I edit the show with Isaac, and even though we're responsible for our own episodes, we weigh in a lot on each other's cuts, and I steal a lot of ideas from him.
Our skill sets are very different and complementary, and a lot of times they overlap.
I really like working on Premiere Pro because it eliminates a lot of the steps between conceiving of an idea and executing it. It allows us more time to sort of sit with the footage, react to what we've done, think about it.
It feels like an extension of my brain. I don't have to think about how I'm going to do something rather than just think about what I'm going to do. I
feel like I'm able to work faster. I'm able to get an idea out of my brain faster with Premiere.
You staying?
Damn, is you the landlord or something?
As an editor, one of the things that gave me confidence in Premiere was the way that it deals with sound. One of those tools is the Essential Sound panel. In some ways, the kind of moments and the feelings of Atlanta are as important or more important than the actual events that are taking place on screen in the script. And in order to really sell those moments and feelings in post, I needed a software that I knew had the flexibility to create them.
As an assistant editor, the two things that are most important to me are stability and speed. Most of our VFX are seamless. So a lot of what we do here in-house will be a split screen. We also will temp out muzzle flashes or phone comps. The tools that we have in Premiere allow us to do that.
You wanna turn the music back on?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
I really like working on Atlanta because I feel like we're able to make the best possible show that we want to make without concern for notes or selling anything. And because there's so few of us working on it, it's a very focused vision.
We want to be able to be really fast and nimble. Using Premiere is one of the ways that we do that.
As an editor, that's the most important thing to me, is that it gets out of the way and lets me edit.
We just love the program, and I feel like the show is better because of it.